Ka State NSSL Meghalaya Bakajantia Eastern College Clearian Haringkat Kajing Trailang Baka Regional Directorate of NSS Guwahati Lem Baka Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Jaka Sarkar India Ka Perlong Kata Masa North East Festival 2024 Kabal Azang Noduk Arp Kunai Terek Uyayong Barkani Kata Masa Kan Kot Haduk Alai Terek Ujemang Rajar Abusau Yakani Kata Masala Perlong Hajantia Eastern College Clearian East Jantia Hills District Yakani Kata Masala Wamapedo Chief Secretary Jaka Jelam Meghalaya Uba DP Walang Kum Ukongsan Hakabau la aiman siang penceluri Khynnah Pule Kiba Chaprang hakikam babha baru ula kentui Khynnah Pule Kiba Wan kiwei par kijela bikin sumbha ban Leit Jngohkai ki Jaka ki badan hajantia berhapu kejela.
Myself इलियास हक आई एम फ्रॉम असम गुवाहाटी। तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इस प्रोग्राम में। इस प्रोग्राम में मतलब कॉलेज में इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम आयोजन किया है मतलब और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस प्रोग्राम हर साल होना चाहिए। हर सभी मतलब वॉलंटियर जिस भी स्टेट से आया है सभी के एक मतलब एक अनुभूति लेकर आया है, एक कल्चर लेकर आया है। हर कल्चर का हर स्टेट के एक अलग मतलब खाना पीना है, अलग संस्कृति है। सभी लोग हमारे इंटर मतलब डायविजन की तरफ से हम सभी एक साथ ऐसे प्रोग्राम हर साल हर वक्त हर कॉलेज में होना चाहिए। इसलिए मैं हम सभी को मतलब आप लोगों को इस कॉलेज को और NSS को थैंक अदा करना चाहूँगा जो ऐसे प्रोग्राम आयोजन।
My name is Khynnah Pule and I'm from Sikkim, and this program is so amazing and I'm so happy to reach here. Thank you.
A function and a festival like this will help you develop your personality. It will help you inculcate and develop a leadership quality. You will not become a leader by sitting in a classroom and mugging and opening your books 16 or 15 hours a day. You will become a good leader by mixing around with your contemporaries, mixing around with your friends. And I request in this festival also, please sit and mix around. All the students who did well, I can assure you, please take it from me, are those who have a good work-life balance, not those who are studious. It is good to be studious, but please ensure that you have something more than just studying. Engage in some activity, engage in some sports, engage in some drama, engage in some quizzing activity, engage in some group activity, music. The boys and girls were singing a very beautiful song. So you have to put a question to yourself, if they can do it, why not me? The biggest teacher today is not in any room, it is actually online. You can easily learn how to play a musical instrument by going to YouTube and see how it can be done. It's just here in your mind, you need to have a willpower. I hope that you take the opportunity of moving around in the state, go to places where you'll see a lot of pleasing sights, touristy sights, and go back home and spread the joy of visiting this beautiful state. I would also like to congratulate the Regional Directorate for hosting this event in a place like Clarion. I really wonder how many of you who have come from outside Meghalaya have heard of Clarion before coming here. I'm quite sure it will be less than 5%. But they have taken this call to have this meeting here in Clarion, an outlying district quite far away from Shillong, which is known to all. And I must say that it is a brave decision, number one. And second, it is a wise decision also because you will learn more by being in far-flung areas than in places like Shillong. I'm quite sure that you'll surely visit Shillong also during this time and maybe before or after, but you will not get another opportunity to visit a place like Clarion. So I think so I must give a pat on the back to the organizers for taking this call. You see, if all of you are at a very young age, one day you will sit in interviews, you'll be facing and writing exams. If they ever write and ask, where is Clarion? Had you not participated in this festival, you'll never know. They may ask which district in the country perhaps has the highest number of cement factories. It is this district, East Jaintia Hills. This is the district where you have the longest caves in the world, probably. I don't know, it's not a very good time to go and visit the caves because of the rains and the summers, but there are hundreds and hundreds of caves for those who are adventure minded.
Ourselves, being a head of a department, being an official of the government, we are trying very hard, and as per the clarion call given by our Honorable Prime Minister, we are working very hard to make our country a developed nation by the year at least 2047. But that's the target. But we need to set a vision. We need to set our target. We need to set the objective. All right? So what we are trying to do right here at this moment is we are trying to bring the entire participants from the northeastern region together. For what purpose? For all of you to come together, because we have realized that you are special. We have realized that you are unique. We have realized that you are innovative.